Set of brackets. Hopefully these work. It's supposed to be for curved or straight light bars. The description along with the light bar link. There's a cool code if you guys go order now, then you can use to save some money on that LED light bar. So don't delay, get your Auxbeam Lightbar today. You might think I practiced that, but I promise you I'm not cheesy all the time. That was your hint to what we're up to this time, in case you guys missed the thumbnail. For those of you that remember this last video, when we worked on the old Jeep, right? All 300 of you, I think, last time I checked. We installed these Auxbeam fog lights. I even had a little debate over if I installed them the correct orientation up or down. You can mount these things with these side shooters out or up and down, kind of your preference, kind of cool. I decided to do this. I like the way they look like this. So that's what we're doing. But today we're moving up top. That's right, we're gonna get us one of them cool curved light bars by Auxbeam right across the windshield there. So let's break this stuff out of the box and get to it, because we're losing daylight. So there you have it, the 5D Pro Series 52-inch light bar from Auxbeam. Complete with instructions, all the wiring you need. Nice connectors, look at good waterproof connection. Comes packaged well. Got another box of hardware and stuff here. Gonna get that opened up. Get this guy unwrapped. Can't forget about a place to put this cool sticker so everybody knows what kind of products we're rocking. And time to get to it. Once you're done admiring the great looks of your new light bar, you might want to refer to the instruction manual to make sure you install it correctly. It's going to have everything you need for how to mount it properly, as well as how to wire it correctly, which, quite honestly, pretty hard to mess up. They've made it pretty foolproof. Pretty foolproof. You just need a power, a ground, run your switch, plug it in, and you're good to go. Now included inside this little wonderful box here of hardware is everything you're gonna need to mount this thing to said rig. You've got some side brackets, you've got the bottom or under mount brackets, you've got the bolts, you've got the wrenches. Time to get to work. No excuses to get this done today. That's me looking at the camera again. Keep said people happy. Now for my particular application, I've decided to mount this on the roof. So we're gonna go ahead and go with this bottom mount installation setup. Gonna use the provided hardware here and do some pre-assembly and then get it up on the roof. You're just gonna go ahead and locate the big opening on the bottom of the truck and slide them down to where they need to be. And use these guys and snug them up. With the feet pods installed here and the light bar situated on the roof, there isn't much left to do but get this thing wired up. I've decided to run my wiring here on the passenger side because that's where the wiring for my previously installed Auxbeam fog lights are. So why not keep all the power together, nice and simple. All right, let's go ahead and get to the power side of this installation. Crack open some wiring. Get this unraveled. You can see it comes pre-wired with the relay. You've got a power, you've got a ground. You've got a place to run your switch. And you've got a connector. All the hard work's already been done. All you gotta do is hook it up. All right, we've got our wires run. All that's left to do is snug up this ground. And just like that, we've got ourselves some light for the trails. So there you have it, folks. The Auxbeam 52-inch 5D Pro Series LED light bar. Completely installed in a matter of minutes. It's that easy. All right, so maybe you're not ready to hit the trails just yet. Clearly that thing's not very secure up there. Such a beautiful light deserves to be properly attached to a roof. And this, to me, just doesn't seem like the way to go. So what we're gonna do instead, let's head down to the local steel yard and pick up some metal. Because what off-road rig is complete without an awesome roof rack? So for now, we're just gonna call this a win. Thank you, Auxbeam. Use the code in description to get one for yourself. And make sure to come back and, you know, see the roof rack build that we do. So be sure to like and subscribe so you get those notifications of when the next video drops. We'll give this thing a real world off-road test. Until then, thank you guys so much. Use the code in description. Pick one up for yourself today. Thanks, Auxbeam.